Let's look at part D of this question 8 that has to do with the fact that Henrik has a farm. And in this part, we are looking at Henrik has a round bale that makes bale in the shape of a cylinders. The height of each cylinder is equal to its diameter. Important. So the height is equal to the diameter. The volume of the cylinder bale is, and here we have a number correct to 3 decimal place, and therefore what do we need to do? We need to work out the radius of the cylindrical bale. Give your answer in meters correct to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so again, we are given one numerical information, which is the volume of the cylinder. How did they got that? Well, there is a formula, isn't it, that they used? And that's formula, where is it? There it is, cylinder. So volume of the cylinder, here we have in our table a formula, how did they got that? So let's consider that. So that value here, that number here, that is what? 2.780. Now, then we have pi, then is multiplied by the radius. We don't have the radius, we need to find it. So it will be radius and multiplied by a height. What do we know about the height? That height is equal to the diameter. What do we know as well about the diameter? The diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So that means that height is equal to 2 times radius. So that means that here, instead of height, I can put 2 times radius. Oh, let's actually put 2 times radius. Okay, so where am I going with this calculation? I want to find the radius. Okay, so I don't need radius multiplied by pi and multiplied by 2, so we get rid of it. How do we get rid of multiplication? By dividing and dividing both sides of the equation. This way my pi and 2 goes here. So we have a number on this side of the equation, and on the other side we have radius to the power of 2 multiplied by radius, and we can write that in a short version as radius to the power of 3, isn't it? Now, I want radius, not radius to the power of 3. How do I get rid of that power? Basically, that power will tell me the number of the root that I have to take off the other side of the equation. So this time is the third root, or as we know, cubic root. And then we put our number on the other side. All we have to do is to put that in the calculator, press equal, and we write our answer 0.76. Let's not forget that this measurement is in meters. How come? Because the volume here is given in meters. So that's my measurement here, meters. But I have to give answer correct in meters correct to the nearest centimeter. So in this case, that is 0.76 of a meter, which is 76 centimeters, isn't it?